To be restricted by Facebook because of gaining followers through follow-to-follow method means we violated a Facebook rule, and it's not a good thing. So in this video, I will show you some techniques on how to gain authentic followers on Facebook through follow-to-follow method without being restricted by Facebook. And in the process of doing these techniques, increase not just your followers but also your engagement and visibility, and could possibly unlock some monetization tools without even reaching 1,000 followers yet. This tutorial is also for beginners, so let's start with the very basic by searching and joining a follow-to-follow group. Once you're in, start by looking for a profile or page with the blue follow button. Click the follow button and after that reply with something like, "Done, please follow back," and after that immediately go to that profile that you just followed and head on to Reels. Once you're in the Reels section, here is where you're gonna do the technique. Watch at least 2 to 3 Reels. Finish watching each Reels before giving it a like or any react and comment relevant comments. Do not comment any F2F related comment like, "Done, count me in, please follow back," otherwise you will be marked as spam by Facebook. If the person replied to your comment, simply reply back. Never pause a Reel, then like or react to it and comment right away, then jump to the next Reel and do the same. It is a form of spamming and Facebook will mark you on that and will be one of the causes of your restrictions. Now, do this proper technique on the next person you will follow, and you can do this all day without getting restricted, as it is a form of proper engagement with your co-follower. Do not worry if the person you followed will follow you back or will unfollow later. You will not lose anything from that, but it's a plus for you that you engaged to that person. Keep going forward. And if you really want to grow big time, please consider using Facebook ad and booster to appeal your content to other people outside the F2F circle. That's all, and please consider dropping a like if this video helped you, and subscribe. Thanks.